This is our pick of 5 amazing FBA deals from November. So welcome back again to the channel. Today we have the next part of the series, our top 5 FBA deals from the previous month. This month is November and we're going to be running you through 5 of our favorite FBA deals. So all of these deals come from our deal of the day feature. This is where we send in 1 to 2 deals Monday to Friday to all of our customers for free, just to give them inspiration on the types of deals out there, where to look, what to be looking for, and so on. Now, we do always like to remind people that we don't really recommend to buy these deals. The idea is just to help our users when they're getting started on what should I actually be looking for. So with these 5 deals, I'm going to be taking you through all the profit, how much we could buy it for, how much we could sell it for, all the key information, all the basic information you need to know when analysing your FBA deals. So let's get into it. So you should now be able to see my screen, and we've got deal number 1 here, and it's from the website Pound Toy. And it's this Star Wars classic costume medium. I think it's actually a Halloween one at the time. Now Dan made the data pop up on screen, and you can see it's selling on Amazon for £14.99. So buying for £3, selling for £14.99, a massive difference. That's always the first thing we're looking for when searching for FBA deals. We want a low price buying for, and we obviously want it selling for more on Amazon. So this one was selling between 31 to 59 units a month, so not too bad sales. There was only 2 other FBA sellers on this listing, so not too much competition, which is always a good sign. And of course, with the massive difference in your buy price and your sell price, it's going to give us an amazing return on investment. So this one gave us 206%, which is just crazy, meaning £6.81 profit per unit. Now, there is a good chance that this price would come down, so we probably wouldn't end up with that profit. But when you are finding deals and you have this much wiggle room, it just means your chances of success is much higher, because even if the price does drop, it doesn't really matter so much because you're still going to be profitable. On to deal number 2 now, and it is from the website Wilco. It is actually sold out now, but at the time we could buy this for £2. We could buy this online. We might be able to pick this up in the store still, but at the time we could buy loads of them, and obviously now people have seen this deal, they've obviously sold out. But at the time we could buy it for £2, and it was selling on Amazon for £9.95. Because this is obviously a seasonal one, we have a really short window here of when we can actually sell this. So the only downside with products like this is that realistically it has to be sold in the month of November, otherwise you might end up with a loss, because as soon as the advent calendar period is over, then who's going to be buying advent calendars? I mean, you might pick up a few sales from people who just like the chocolate, but your prime time is really in November itself. So it's really important to get them in as quickly as possible, get them sold, and take your profit when you can. So let's run through all the key data on this one. So only 3 other FBA sellers. Again, not too much competition, which is what we want. There's always going to be the chance that more sellers come on this listing. There isn't anything you can do about that. You can obviously check the historical amount of sellers on average, but Amazon FBA is a competitive marketplace. As long as you've got good profit and you're not competing against sellers with, you know, thousands of stocks, or not doing wholesale, you shouldn't have any problems. So only 3 sellers on this one. We didn't have too much stock either, but we had an incredible return on investment again, so 184%. Again, it probably would come down a little bit, but realistically, when we're doing Amazon FBA, our aim for a sale is about 30% return on investment. So our profit after all of our fees is 30%. So when we've got a return on investment this high, it just gives us so much room for the price dropping, which often does happen on Amazon. We just wanted to quickly let you know about an exclusive YouTube discount code which you can use to start your Amazon FBA journey with Profitl. There isn't a better time to start. I'll make it just pop up here. It will save you 20% on monthly plans, 5% on yearly plans. If you've already watched our videos, you'll probably have this already, but if not, make sure to take that down, and when you are ready to start your journey with Amazon FBA, it can save you some money. Now on to the next one, and it's from Tesco. We've got another advent calendar here. Obviously it was November, so it's going to be prime time for advent calendars, and we had loads of deals like this. They were absolutely everywhere. You can make some quite insane money selling advent calendars in the month of November. But this one was a Galaxy advent calendar. We could buy it for £1.80 with a club card. It was selling at the time for £8.99. So buying for £1.80, selling for £8.99, a nice difference there. So again, not many sellers on this one, only 3 other FBA sellers, and I'm sure you'll see a common theme here. We're always trying to get as little competition as possible. The less competition you have, the more time you'll have on the buy box, and the more sales you get, and the quicker you'll be able to turn around your stock. So it's really important to try and keep your competition as low as possible. Return on investment 136%, giving us an estimated profit of £2.72 per unit. So not a bad deal once again. On to deal number 4 now, and it's from the website Notino. If you've seen our videos before, you'll know Notino is a great website for arbitrage deals. They have so many products. As long as you can get ungated in them, they're always running discounts as well. Often the prices are way less than they are on Amazon, which just means loads of opportunity for us. This one we found was this Essence Stay All Day Waterproof Makeup. Now it is actually sold out, but at the time we could buy it for £3.63 and it was selling on Amazon for £9.95. This one didn't have crazy sales, only 6 to 29 units a month, but because there wasn't much competition, we only had 2 other FBA sellers on the listing. That's always absolutely fine to go for. And this one gave us a lovely return on investment of 141%, meaning £4.36 profit per unit. So on to our 5th and final deal, and we hope you enjoyed all these deals so far. This one is from OnBuy, a great place to find deals. It's a marketplace, so you have quite a variety of products on there. Is this action figure Jungle Hunter Predator deluxe model toy, which we can buy for £19.99. And you can see when we sent this into Deal of the Day, it was selling on Amazon for £46.95. So buying for £19.99, selling for £46.95, an incredible difference. Only 15 to 29 units a month, but only 3 other FBA sellers, so not too much competition. And I mean, this one was just giving us a crazy profit, £17 profit per unit. Please do take that with a pinch of salt. The price is likely to come down, but we can only show you on the current price. But when we are analysing our FBA deals, we do always go into a bit more depth. So we'll have a look at the price over the last year. We'll have a look to see if it's a high price at the moment, whether it's a low price at the moment, and we combine lots of different data points to actually work out whether a product is worth buying. This one looked like a great deal. So that's the top 5 deals from the month of November. We hope that shows just a pure variety of deals out there. As you can see, you can source from loads of different websites, loads of different types of products. There really is potential deals everywhere on the internet. This is just such a small proportion of the deals we actually find. But that's all for today. We'll have this video back again next month. Please do like and subscribe to our channel. Follow us on Instagram, follow us on TikTok. And if you were interested in joining Profitl, you can find all of the links in the description of this video. And if there's any other videos you'd like us to make, please do let us know in the comments. We read all of your comments. We can definitely try and get them made if you've got any ideas. But thank you so much for watching today's video, and we will see you in the next one.